Once upon a Halloween night, a tiny witch lost her broom. So today we're helping her by making one of our own brooms. You'll only need a few supplies, and I have my assistant here today helping me, Scarlett. So let's get crafting. For our mini witch's broom, you'll need one pipe cleaner. I have 14 beads here, and I chose Halloween colors. So Scarlett chose more of a bright Halloween color for her broom. You'll need scissors, and before you start, you'll want to cut a small piece of your yarn off. So we begin with making the bottom of the broom with the yarn. Before you do that, you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to bend it in half just like that. So you can use any shade of brown that you want for your pipe cleaner. You can use any shade of yellow. The only yellow I had today was this one, or we would have made two different yellow. So you take your yellow, you make sure that you hold on tight with your thumb against your hand. So if you're doing this with a child, you'll be able to help them. But if you're doing it by yourself, you want to pull out a bunch of yarn first. You're going to wrap it around your hand 20 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And if you lost count, it's okay if you're off a few numbers. So then I'm going to cut it. And you're going to take it off of your hand slowly. You're going to find the spot that you can stick the pipe cleaner through. So since this is the bottom of the broom, it doesn't have to look perfect. Watch your pipe cleaner because mine came uneven and I had to fix it. So since it's wrapped around there, you can let go. Let me move this out of the way. Find your little piece of yarn. And you're going to take your yarn just a little ways down. You don't want it to look perfect because this is a broom. So what I did was I wrapped it around right below the brown. And I'm going to tie once. So you want to keep pulling it down until you get it right about there. So you made that little part of the old brooms that you used to see. So I'm going to tie it again just to keep it in place. And you can just let that hang to become part of the broom. Then you'll want to find again the parts of the broom in the opening. So I keep finding loops that I have to put around my hand. So I found all of them. So now they all fit around my fingers again. I'm going to make 2 fingers space out, and then I'm going to put the scissors in and cut. So you're going to notice that you might have a little yarn hanging, and it's easy because you can just cut it even with the others. So I'll give Scarlett the scissors. So you just made the broom part. So Scarlett's going to cut her broom bristles apart. Now you're going to put the beads on. So you make sure that your pipe cleaners stay together. And let's see, I'm going to start with an orange. So with these you can make any Halloween pattern of colors that you want. I like to do orange, black, orange, black. I have seen some people do orange, orange, black, orange, orange, black. So it's whatever colors you want. So Scarlett's using more bright Halloween colors. So you want to make sure that the bead goes down both sides of the pipe cleaner. And I use about 14 beads, worked out perfect. So today I had 7 orange and 7 black. The colors that Scarlett used, she picked the colors out first and then counted how many of each one she had to have. And you just keep building that Halloween pattern. So Scarlett has some long broom bristles that she's going to trim off with the scissors. Oh no! Scarlett's going to have to go find my one that I lost. There we go. So these are neat because you can hang them on the wall with like a thumbtack. You can hang them with string on a mantle. You can make a banner out of them. So we put all of our beads on there. Now you have these 2 pipe cleaners at the end. So you're going to, let me raise it up a little. You're going to kind of crisscross them. Just take one under, take the other one under. And it doesn't have to be perfect or exact way I did it. Just so you make sure that you've secured and closed off the broom. So see, Scarlett's was a little bit larger than mine. And that will allow you to put string there or use a thumbtack. Anything you want to use to hang these. So here is your Halloween Mini Witch Broom. And depending on the hand size, that will also change the length of your broom bristles. So when my 3-year-old did it, his broom bristles were very short. And our brooms are ready to fly. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more fun holiday crafts, easy recipes, and our yoga and fitness videos for adults and kids. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and tell us in the comments what color you made your witch's broom. Happy Halloween!